So, to add a sticker to the video, we first need to add the video itself by clicking on the blue plus sign. Next, we look for the Stickers tab. Here it is at the top left. We click on it, and a list of stickers opens up. We can choose any, either one or several, and at the bottom, the stickers themselves appear, like these yellow cards. We click on each of these bars, and we can edit them. On the right, a panel opens where we can add animation, angle, tilt, as well as size and position.